I'm gonna add shaving cream.
Yeah, to this.
I know. Okay, so you're gonna be adding the. You're gonna be adding the activator. You're just gonna be adding the activator and mixing it. So I'm gonna be adding some shaving cream.
I have to add this. And now?
Oh, that was loud.
I need to add this.
Yeah.
Yeah. Now?
Yes. You said that. Okay. Okay. Add a little bit. So like that. Now mix. So I added my shaving cream. Time to mix that. I like to make mine really good. I don't like to leave it because then it like just doesn't look like fluff.
Yeah. You matching my poops, yeah?
That would be cool.
Yeah, I know.
Add some. Add it to my fluffy. Oh, it's forming.
It's got forming.
Yours isn't that forming. You need more after this. Yeah, we did the spray bottle that we got from the Dollar Tree. We were going to post that video, but it didn't work out for us, you guys. That didn't want to post. It just didn't work. That's it.
Sorry, guys.
Yeah, we did a Dollar Tree haul where we went to buy all the things.
Sorry, guys. Sorry. Do you pinky promise us?
Sorry.
The thumbs up.
Yeah, please like, subscribe, turn the
Or they
notifications
get
back.
thumbs up down or some thumbs up.
I think thumbs up.
Yeah.
Because this is our second video. The first one we just introduced ourselves, and that hasn't got any likes.
Yeah, so sir, we have a cousin, and he said sprinkles.
Yeah, that's it. I might be posting another video soon, really soon. But still, this time it's still really.
You saw the barrel? Do you saw the barrel on my father and my sister's face?
I don't think that was a video. She's just making stuff up. Yeah, she is. Oh, my slime.
I'm a funny sister.
Yeah, she is.
I know.
Okay. My slime is transforming. Yours, because you're not making. Look, you just need to. Some of this.
Hey, you just made some in my face.
It's okay. You need more glue, that's why probably. I have a lot of glue and you have a little. Put my glue. And then we're going to be making another round where we switch. So she's going to be making fluffy and we're going to be making regular.
Ha ha. Ha.
I don't know what both you're going to be doing that in though. Okay, that's enough, I think. Probably enough though.
I need some shaving cream.
No, you don't.
Okay, look.
No, you don't, because you're not making fluffy snot out. Oh, it's sprayed all over my face. We were filming and so with our GoPro. Then what happened is that the water kept on splashing on it, and it wasn't working that. It's a GoPro, but the water kept on splashing on it. And it didn't look that well. Why is yours turning into water? Keep on mixing. So mine is working. Oh.
I wish I could make fusses.
Let's put this on there. It's ready. No, it's not. It's not ready. Still, why not? Like, who doesn't like putting slime on the table? It's happy. Woo! It doesn't poke. No. Look how sticky this is, you guys.
Yeah.
Okay, so that's really sticky.
Yeah. That is mine.
Yeah, hers is not that worky. Mine's just really sticky still though. It's because mine's just not that ready yet. By the way, we got everything from the Nine Center except
the Dollar Tree.
I mean from the Dollar Tree, except the only thing that we didn't get from the Dollar Tree are the spoons and the glue and the activator. Everything else we got.
Our dog by the glue.
Yeah, our dad bought the glue. He brought it from somewhere.
I think from the airport.
No, how do they have? Okay, just do that.
Okay. I'm a walkie-talkie.
I have a cousin named Maya. So Maya, if you're watching this, shout out to you. Yes, Maya. That was really loud, guys. Okay.
We have a grandma. We have a cousin. His name is Tamarito, and he is super cute.
I know, he's the cutest. I was going to film him, but my parents don't want to be filming them. So my parents doesn't.
I want my cousin kiss me.
Yeah, but it's a cousin. It's okay.
Yeah,
It happens. Oh, look how
Hey,
cute.
you're not wet.
I'm gonna go try to get my dog so I can film him. Cause he is the cutest. Okay,
Her name's Suma.
she is a 2 or 3 month old.
My name is Ale. Her name is Mia.
Everybody knows that if you guys watch the first video, then okay.
I'm just 4.
So I'm gonna add more activator to her.
Guess who was the first baby? Her.
Yeah.
Now it's the second baby.
So we are kind of good sister. Okay, yours is not ready. Just add more activator.
This?
Yeah, no
What
more.
I think?
Yeah, more add. What were you eating?
I don't know.
I don't know. I'm here with it. So it's just like,
I think I'm done.
I'm gonna put it down. Okay, cheers. Okay, that's enough. That's enough. Wait, add it. That's enough. So we can switch. So switch slimes. I'm gonna be making regular. So you're gonna make
Each
making.
will do it at my time.
No, we're each gonna make our own.
Look how stretch my hands.
Let me see. And I can mix yours and make it good, I think. This is a challenge because you can make the best slime.
Didn't tell me that. I have braces.
Yes, he doesn't.
You're a joke.
She is, by the way, if you guys don't know, she is 5 years old. Go.
I was sleeping so much and I got so tall.
I know, she got taller.
Yeah.
Go check out my Musical.ly. My
Go
Musical.ly.
check out my Musical.ly.
I forgot her password, but we each have our own. Mine is Mia Melody 2023, so that's mine. Go check it out.
Guess
You'll
what? I
follow
don't
me.
have a friend.
Yes, she does. She doesn't go to school yet, but because it's summer, we will also
we have a neighbor. Her name is Chunky.
Yeah, she's one of our friends, but yeah. So yeah.
Sounds like Chucky.
So shout out to Chunky, to
Our cousin.
not a cousin, but a friend. This is not working.
I want to poke.
Is it still too sticky? Why is it too? Why?
I didn't put some.
Why, slime? Why is it
I
working?
didn't.
Oh, it's transforming into slime. We were gonna be adding glitter, but we had a fluffy slime that had glitter in it, and well.
Guess what? I made my own glitter. Is that my other
We
face?
went to the Dollar Tree and we tried to find what is it called? And we tried to find some what is it called? I forgot what it's called. Some food coloring.
Yeah.
And well, we couldn't find it, so we asked, "Do you guys have any food coloring?" He's like, "No." So I'm like, "What?" They have everything else, but they don't have food coloring. I'm like,
I said.
I know, it's weird.
I went like this, like that. I went like this, look. I went like this, look. Like this, yeah. Look.
Yeah, so he's like, "What?" Because they have everything.
Yeah. What's
Okay,
your...
keep on mixing. Yours is getting there. I'm just still kind of sticky.
Ow. Ow, spoon. You're hurting my...
Time for some ASMR, whatever it's called. But it's satisfying time, so...
Taste
Well, it's not that satisfying, but I just want to say that because it's pretty fun to
Look,
say.
just touching my nose.
Yeah, nobody wants to see that. Okay. That's just nasty. Let's keep on mixing. It's transforming. The creation slam back. You are not ready for fluffy until you master
Guys, you
regular. You mastered regular
Guys,
slime.
I got dope for you.
That's not really a joke. That's just being funny.
No, mean.
Mean, rude. I don't know.
No, I'm doing funny. That guy, I would stick with Yes, I done for it.
I know it's funny. But
Why am I sticky?
It's still kind of sticky. Why is it? Oh no, this is not working. We're gonna have to do it the rough way by opening it. We're gonna have to be doing it the rough way. Sorry, guys. I'm gonna get it.
Don't.
I have to. There. Wait, right. Oh, it's too much. I need to add that to my slime. I added almost the whole bottle. Let me try. Okay, we're gonna be taking the spoon. Stop. You are just like our little cousin. We made some slime, and we're trying to hide it from our parents because they didn't know.
No, our grandma.
Oh yeah, our grandma and our parents, because they didn't know. So don't touch your slime anymore. And our little cousin, her name is Darla.
Yeah.
She is so little, and she just started playing with her slime. She played with it great. Just like hers.
You know Danny?
No, I don't think they know Danny yet. Sorry, that we've been covering the camera a bit. So her slime.
Whoa.
Look at that. Okay, got it. So this is my slime.
now.
Yeah. We're gonna be doing the next round because we still have a little bit of glue left. So guys, please comment, like, and be part of the Unicorn Squad.
Yay.
Unicorn Squad. So
Yeah.
all you gotta do to be part of the Unicorn Squad is like, subscribe.
Have you ever watched the movie Zombies?
I think they did. To be the part of the Unicorn Squad is like, subscribe, turn on the notification, and comment down below if you did all these 4 things, and you will be comment down below Unicorn Squad. Comment down below Unicorn Squad, and then you will be part of the Unicorn Squad.
My sister's crazy.
And we will go and like your channel. We will be liking your comments and probably like
some
some of your videos.
Subscribe to the channel.
And we will be liking your videos.
Have you ever watched the channel? Or not?
We went to Knockberry Farm and showed Kitty today. But
Right now, girl.
and like a few
Ooh,
hours ago.
water. I can put my son there.
Okay, let's make our other slime.
Oh, let's make more slime?
Yeah, why not? But let me first get all the slime from the corners because there's like a lot.
We make our first slime. This is our first
So
slime.
now, instead of me making more fluffy,
Yeah, this is my first
oh
slime.
no, this is like too
Now I
sticky now.
need your paper so I can make fluffy slime.
Now she's going to be making
fluffy slime.
and
Because I make horrible slime, guys.
she's going to stop, that's my one. That's going to make it too hard.
Look here.
You want hard slime?
Yes.
Oh my gosh, that's hard slime, you guys. Oh my god.
Yeah, butter on my slime.
Oh no, my slime is too hard. Okay, I'm just fine.
Why is you?
Okay, let me add more activator to all these little corners.
Why is I scathing?
Because you added too much activator.
No, I
And
add
it's like,
too many water.
Activator. It's called activator, not water.
Yes, it is water.
Okay, so we're going to be trading bowls. So, there's the fluffy slime bowl. I love my fluffy slime.
So,
Oh, there's yours. You don't trade slime.
I need more water.
We just make new slime. So let's make more slime. She's gonna be making. Sorry.
Fluffy slime.
Okay. She's gonna be making fluffy slime. Let's add some glue. That's enough. Because the shaving cream is gonna make it bigger.
I need some shaving cream, sister.
Okay.
Sis.
I'm gonna add her the shaving cream right now.
Some shaving cream, sis.
Okay, wait. Wait! We should have done the backwards slime challenge. Did we get it forward?
Sad.
Be quiet.
Quiet,
Be quiet,
baby.
you guys.
And then that was me, my sister.
That's how much? I'm gonna add some to mine. I'm cheating, but I'm an addict, so sorry.
Yes, he is the addict.
I'm cheating, yes, and I don't care. I'm happy.
You're having nothing next time.
Give this to
I'm already.
Be quiet. Also, guys, turn down the volume because she's gonna be screaming a lot during our video. So
I'm already. Be quiet.
and I'm gonna be screaming too. So yeah, turn down the volume a lot. I cheated and I made fluffy slime because I'm an addict and I can't stop. Okay, I don't know. It's so funny, but I don't know.
You do me. We both have fluffy slime.
Yeah, I have to. Sorry, guys. I just have to.
That means you have 2 flippy signs. I have 1 flippy sign. That makes you more flippy sign.
But there's no more glue.
Are we going to make a sleepover?
I don't know. Are we? We don't have any friends. Well, I have one of my friends' phone number, so you know where I live. And I don't really know where she lives. Yes, we know she lives. We know. She knows that I live in Norwalk, but
You just told her?
I told her that I live in Norwalk because everybody in that school
found us.
Everybody in school lives in Norwalk, but she just doesn't know where, what house I live in or what apartment. So comment down below where you live.
Number 1 or number 2?
Comment down below where you live. What state, I don't know. Comment down below.
This is my soup, yeah.
Comment down below what state or city you live in. Have I gave you the activator yet or not yet? Wait, let me mix it for you because you didn't mix it that good.
Oh, I'm going to just put it in.
I probably gave you some activator already, but.
No, you didn't.
Oh, look, that was a lot.
Oh, stupid.
I'm gonna make both of my slimes. So at the end, you guys, we're gonna be making both of our slimes.
See, you saw my sister? He had me at the bear and it was super much.
So at the end, you guys, we're gonna be making both of our slimes together. It's gonna be cool. Okay. Do you see that, you guys? I just went like blop.
Plop.
You went like blop on the floor.
Plop. Can I do that?
Wait.
Ah!
You probably need more shaving cream to make.
Ow! My elbow.
I don't think it's your elbow.
Is this my elbow?
Yes. No. Probably. I don't know.
Where's my head?
Too much shaving cream. We still have a lot of shaving cream left.
You want to sleep in the floor today with me?
No, I don't want to sleep on the floor today. Why would I?
I
sleep on the floor every day. No.
I'm going to feed you.
Oh, there's a lot of activator. You guys keep on adding a lot of activator.
I'm going to feed you.
But still, I don't want to sleep on the floor. I'm tired of sleeping. Okay, mix it right there until everything.
With my hands?
No. Oh. Okay, yours wasn't ready. Keep on mixing, right?
Mia!
It's okay. We're gonna. Ew! You can die. Guys, don't eat slime.
Yeah,
we don't want you guys to die.
I'm going to push my.
We don't want all you guys to die.
I'm going to film Mia.
So.
Bye. I'm going to film Mia.
So by the way, you guys, the challenge.
I'm going to fail.
I don't care. By the way, the challenge was.
Let's see this. Bye.
By the way, the challenge was who makes the best slime.
Yay!
Mine feels like air. Look. Boing. Here. I really like satisfying yet.
I'm going to just give him my slime.
You're not gonna make yours,
No.
real? So I have to do all the work.
Yes.
Go bring some napkins. You have to do some work. Okay,
No,
I'm
I
gonna go
don't.
bring the napkins, you guys. Oh, they're right there. Okay.
She's a helper.
We have some.
Me.
We had it in stock. Yay! The napkins, go napkins. I love you.
I love you, Napkin. I love you.
What is your favorite kind of slime, you guys?
Mine is crunchy. Mine is crunchy. Mine is crunchy. Mine is crunchy.
Who do you think is gonna win this challenge? Whoever makes the best slime. Be quiet. Whoever makes the best slime is the winner. Put that there. Whoever makes the best slime and mixes those two slimes together.
Necklace in my ear.
Okay, it's just weird. Okay. They didn't say anything yet. So.
Can we send it to Casey and Rachel?
Casey and Rachel. Oh yeah, I like that channel, but I don't know.
Please, Casey and Rachel.
I don't know. I don't even know how to send it. I only know how to post it.
Then the same.
Okay, yours isn't working, but you have to mix your slimes together.
No, you have to. Okay.
That's the challenge of it.
It's time to do it. I'm gonna do. I hope her boyfriend likes her. I hope his boyfriend likes her girlfriend.
Oh, that's weird.
You're going to go with your boyfriend and girlfriend.
Look up. It's just regular. Okay, 2
Oh!
slimes.
I'm going to spray together. That means right here.
You want to add more shaving cream?
Oh no!
Hers is a big.
Big mess.
I know.
No, I think a big mistake.
Mistake. I
Well,
know.
that
My slime is ginormous and it's
Too
totally
many
not
other
pokey.
customers. Oh.
Okay, let me make it.
Oh.
And
See.
hers was a really bad idea.
This is soap? Or
No.
this grandma?
That's I don't know.
Slime.
We know how to talk in Spanish, you guys.
Bueno. Bueno.
That means hello, by the way. No, that means good, by the way.
Bueno.
Blop.
Is this puppet?
Okay, that's your bowl, and then this is.
Mia, you're bad.
It's okay.
Guys, so we can clean it?
Probably, I don't know.
Mine's just so fluffy.
Mine's just too soft.
I hope Mommy and Daddy don't get us a truck.
I don't think
Yuck,
they will.
yuck.
It's okay.
Are you sure we can clean it?
I wouldn't be really
I said it's weird. How you like that?
Our light. Fix your lighting. Does that look better? No, that looks right there. That's better. Look how fluffy my slime is.
Mine's more fluffy or yuck?
She made a big mistake. Wait. Let's make yours.
Oh my gosh, that's my hair. That's so pretty. Coolie.
I don't feel like
I
this.
really want to put them in my hair.
No!
Put them in my hair.
Uma! I literally have no idea what a dog is doing.
Go get her.
No, I don't know what they're doing. I don't know what she's doing. Okay, so this is
This will find her in there.
you know what? I'm just gonna find her after the video. So, yeah.
Find her now!
It's creepy. You're like, find her now.
I was like a queen.
You wish you could clean?
No, I would. No, I sounded like a queen.
No, queen sound better than you. Oh! Okay, I should have warned you guys in the beginning. Please turn the volume down, and I'm gonna put it on the video to turn the volume down.
Here it is.
Okay, be quiet, that's enough screaming. Also, don't wear earphones. Don't, please.
Just put the volume all the way down to you will not hear me.
No, but they want to hear some ASMR.
Mom!
Yeah,
Look, guys,
I'm
you
gonna
did.
warn you.
Guys, see this. Good. Look, guys, look, it's sucked your butt.
Let me see. Let me feel your slime. Let me see. Comment down below what slime turned out better.
Mine's.
Mine.
So many other two.
So for me, comment my name Mia M-I-A.
I just told their names.
And for hers, comment her name Ale A-L-E. So
Wait,
yeah.
this is me a secret.
I know. It's acting weird. Right
Okay, ask me.
now. I'm gonna make more slime. There's a little bit more glue.
I want more too.
Oh no, it's not coming out. We're just gonna be making this wonderful slime. Yeah, we are.
Some in my face.
There's glue all over your face, you guys.
Yeah, it looks like a little knot.
No, it doesn't. Where's the saving?
Let me touch it.
In front of us.
I think once.
I'm gonna be.
I touched it. Wait, I cannot touch it. Can you put it in my box?
Put it away.
No, I don't want to. I'm too scared from you.
Okay, I'm gonna be mixing this, you guys. Look.
What? Yeah.
What?
Well, I'm scared of you, or you're my sister.
I don't know. You're weird.
I
Oh.
think I'm a weird boy. Don't put them in mine, guys.
Okay.
Look, I'm going to put. Look, I'm going to do something.
You just want to feel her slime.
No, my feet.
Let's add some
Wait.
activator now.
I'm going to paint. Oh no, my gun!
What?
My gun fell on my slime.
Wait, what?
It's right there.
Don't eat that anymore. See, that might have some activator or some chemicals or something bad.
Also, spider soul stuff. Right?
Who wants this slime?
Me.
Okay, she's gonna have this slime. This
It's
beautiful.
super scary start, and I feel like I'm gonna start scared to death.
Monsters are fake, by the way.
Oh,
A possum. She saw a possum that has all white with red eyes.
no. I saw the tail. I saw
And she's like, okay, it's the dog.
yeah, okay.
And then she saw it like close up, and the possum was right on her door. It was so
No,
creepy.
it was in the wall.
Oh yeah, it was on our. We have like this back door thing, and
I
it
don't
was
want
right
to
there.
look in the door again.
Here.
This thing is not here to protect me.
Which is our grandma. So
And my grandma's going to not protect me.
okay. Bye guys.